Unlocking Confidence, the Art of Speech Preparations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important and interesting topic that concerns not only English learners but also anyone who wants to improve their public speaking skills. We're talking about speech preparations. Understanding and mastering this process can significantly boost your confidence and effectiveness as a speaker. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the secrets to preparing speeches that captivate and inspire. Speech preparations refer to the process of planning, designing, and practicing a speech before delivering it to an audience. This process is crucial because it helps you organize your thoughts, refine your message, and enhance your delivery. Think of it as the blueprint behind a successful construction project. Without it, the final structure might not stand. Preparing your speech involves several key steps, including selecting a topic, researching, organizing your ideas, writing your speech, and practicing it. Choosing the right topic is the first step in the speech preparation process. It's important to select a topic that is not only interesting to you but also relevant and engaging to your audience. Consider what your audience might find valuable, informative, or entertaining. Understanding your audience is crucial here because it guides you in tailoring your content to their interests and needs. Once you have your topic, it's time to dive into research. This stage is all about gathering information, facts, and examples that will support your message. A well-researched speech is more credible and impactful. Make sure to use reliable sources and to note down important points and references that you can include in your speech. Quality research is the foundation of a compelling argument or narrative. With your research at hand, the next step is to organize your ideas in a coherent structure. A common and effective structure is the introduction, body, and conclusion format. Start by outlining the main points you want to cover in your speech. This outline will serve as a roadmap, ensuring that your speech flows logically from one idea to the next. Clarity and coherence are your allies, making your message more digestible and memorable for your audience. Now, it's time to write your speech. This involves expanding on your outline and putting your ideas into full sentences and paragraphs. Pay special attention to the opening and closing of your speech, as these will bookend your main content and are crucial for making a strong first and last impression. Use simple and clear language to express your ideas effectively. And don't forget to inject your personality to make your speech more relatable and engaging. The final step in the speech preparation process is practice. Rehearsing your speech multiple times will help you become more familiar with your content, improve your delivery, and reduce anxiety. Focus on your pronunciation, pace, and pauses, and try to practice in conditions similar to those you'll face during the actual presentation. Remember, confidence comes from preparation. Preparing a speech might seem daunting at first, but by breaking down the process into manageable steps, you can approach it with confidence and creativity. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of speech preparations and provided you with valuable tips to enhance your public speaking skills. Remember, every great speaker was once a beginner, and with practice and dedication, you too can deliver speeches that resonate and inspire. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.